Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Google side, open Cloud Console and enable APIs, Identity Platform or Google Sign-In, because the app needs credentials to talk to Google. Once done, create an OAuth 2. Zero client ID and capture the client ID and client secret. Store them securely. Next, make sure you register your app details, package name and SHA-1 for Android, or the exact redirect URI for web. These steps allow authentication flows to begin. They prevent redirect mismatches later. You now implement the authentication flow in your app, pick the official SDK for your platform so you follow Google's security patterns. Then, start the sign-in, trigger Google consent, obtain an authorization code, and exchange it on your backend for an access token and refresh token. Make sure you request only needed scopes to reduce risk. Once tokens are issued, use access tokens for API calls and keep the refresh token in a secure server-side store to renew access when it expires. You finish by testing end-to-end. Sign in, call Google APIs, and confirm user info returns as expected. If everything works, implement logout and token revocation flows so users can disconnect. Make sure to monitor token expiration and refresh logic to avoid silent failures. If something goes wrong, check redirect URIs, SHA-1, and OAuth consent settings. These are common causes of errors. One key troubleshooting tip. When you see invalid grant or redirect mismatch, recheck register.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.